guys, this is Supra. Today I'm going to show you guys how to hardwire a dash cam to your car. We're going to be installing it on my Toyota Supra back here, and we're going to be using the new GKU E200 dash cam for this installation, and also their hardwiring kit. Alright, to start off, you guys are probably going to need some prying tools, since you're going to be taking this piece off, and you're going to take this panel down here so you could access the fuse box back here. So I'll start from this piece down here. Work yourself to the top. Now you're just gonna grab the bottom. You're kind of gonna like turn it and pull out. And I guess you push. I do have this ambient lighting also installed in my car, and it's also hardwired. Okay, and then you're gonna twist off these tabs down here, which the little pry thing comes in handy. So you just twist these off, and then you're just gonna pull this down. Fuse box diagram. 57 slot will be for your accessory power. F27 will be for the battery power. The fuse kit comes with. The cable will be for your accessory power, and the yellow cable will be for battery. The black cable will be for the ground. You're gonna strip off a portion of your red wire and yellow wire. And then you're going to take your fuse tab, you gently insert it, all this wiring in there. Take your handy plier and just press down. Just going to crimp it. Anyway, and for this car, these fuse positions are going to be the standard size fuse tabs. And as you guys can see, the yellow, the one that was the yellow cable with the fuse tab is going to go right here in front of the 40 here. I'm just going to plug it in right there. And then I already plugged in the one back here. That one contained fuse 10 in it already in the car. So you're going to take that out. You're just going to plug it in alongside with the 15 one that was supplied. And it's also the standard size fuse tab. And this one is going to be your fuse tab to the red. For the ground, you're going to use a 215 since it's a torque screw. And you're going to loosen it, put your ground cable in there with the hook, and retighten it. Don't tighten it too much, it might snap. But as long as it's contacting this metal plate, you should be fine. And then after all that is nicely plugged in, you're going to test if your camera has power. For the rest of the cables, I fed it through here, and up here, and then I put like 2 excess cable on this black box in here, and I just put the wrap over it so it won't make any noise, and just put there. And I went up, tucked it in on this rubber piece all the way up here. Then I slightly popped this A-pillar piece off, brought it down here, then I tucked it in on the roof, and then straight to the dash cam. Okay, and to put it back on, I start from the bottom up, so it's kind of like the reverse. That's when you took it off. Start from the bottom and push out this rubber. This rubber piece has to go over it. So just make it down, and tuck this piece in there. All good. Up again. Make sure you tuck this clip in there. Push up. Twist. Quick install, clean finish. See you guys on the next mod. Peace.